So here's the story. We're trying to pull this motor up in the where the flywheel hooks to the motor back here. There's, I think, 8 bolts, either 6 or 8. We've got 2 that are left up in there, but they're giving us a hard time. So we're afraid we're gonna round the nuts off because there's a bolt from coming through from the back here to these nuts, and then they have a nut with a lock washer. So we've had to use a piece of pipe. They're on that good, but of course you're in a real awkward position, lying on your back, of course, always working on your truck. So that's the story, and hopefully we can get these last 2 out. We're trying to get this motor out this afternoon. That's the goal. So right there is our 2 nut culprits we can't get out. We're trying to cut them off with a chisel. And we'll just have to replace the nuts later. So we had to split that nut off right there because we just rounded it.
Is that what you want?
That's what we wanted. We finally got them all off. Now stage 2.
And bolt just fold over here.
Yeah, we got to bolt on the side.
Get it to separate. These rods.
Yeah, so we got some problems with bolts on the back side of the motor. So we've got a tool.
Got a hot wrench.
Got a hot wrench here.
Yeah, this wrench really gets into everything.
So we're hoping we can kind of eyeball the back of the motor here. We're thinking right in here. Go to the right a little bit, towards me.
Let's see where he's at.
Yeah, see where he's at. See how far over he's got to go. You gotta adjust the torch flame. Pretty close? Bottom of that hole, probably. Inside.
Getting low though.
Fill it up.
I'm gonna spray off this mat.
Not worried about the mat, we're worried about the...
I'm not worried about all the sparks going onto a plastic mat from
Okay, get up in there and spray it. Maybe just the socket, or we're still wobbling. Maybe this side's different. Who knows? Hey, now you did it. You knocked the motor off of it. Now we got to get some chains or something.
We're gonna do the exhaust bolts here too. I don't think we'll be able
I
to.
feel like we can just, the exhaust is rusted off there. Can't we just
I don't know if we can wrestle it out with the thing hanging down.
torch it off right there?
Well, that's what I was thinking. Take a torch and torch them nuts off. They got to come off anyhow. Pull my
We got
tarp
to torch this off here, right there and there.
right here and here.
Oh, top.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ha 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 ha!